guys and welcome to Mario Kart DS. This is the first Mario Kart game I'm playing on this channel, and as you can see, this game came at 2005 and we're currently at 2016, so this game is 11 years old. I know it's a pretty old game, but this is the first game I ever played and I had lots of fun playing it, so I wanted to share it with you guys. If you guys enjoyed this series, let me know. Let me know if you guys want more of this Mario Kart games, because I am down to it because I had lots of fun playing it. But anyways, we'll be doing the 150cc challenge, and as you can see, I already have a custom emblem for our cards. It's a lightning bolt symbol. They will actually give it to you. It's kind of good because lightning is kind of my channel's name. But we're going to kick off this episode by playing with some of these characters. As you can see, we have Mario, Luigi, Peach, Toad, Yoshi, Donkey Kong, Wario and Bowser. So I'm going to actually kick off this episode by playing as Yoshi, because Yoshi is so cute. We'll be using the standard YS and we'll be playing through the Nitro Grand Prix. As you can see, I haven't unlocked most of the characters and the stages, but if you guys are enjoying this, I will definitely unlock these guys off screen. But today we'll be doing the Mushroom Cup. Looks like we have the Figure 8 circuit, Yoshi Falls, Cheep Cheep Beach and Luigi's Mansion. So if you guys are excited, make sure to smack that like button as we take on the Mushroom Cup. And here we go, Figure 8 circuit. I'm going to be completely honest with you guys, I'm not that good at Mario Kart games, which you guys will see right now. 3, 2, 1, and I didn't even get a boost, and that pretty much sums up how much I suck at this game. But I actually love the game because of the items, and the game can change at any time. Now, wow! Bowser, what's wrong with you? The bullet bill, that has to be seriously the OPest item. Nah, actually blue shell. Wow, Peach also got the freaking bullet bill. Blue shell has to be the overpowered item because we can actually change the game. So if you're in the first place and a blue shell comes, you dead. You're probably going to come second or even third. And this, what is here? This stadium or something. Whoa, blue shell! Hell yeah! This stadium is actually pretty small, so it's pretty hard to come first because I'm currently at the 5th. But anything can change as you get the freaking mushroom. Mushrooms actually give your card a pretty good boost, and looks like we already came to the Toad. Oh, red shell! Screw you! Is that Mario? Hell yeah! Whoa! Lightning bolt! How can lightning actually hit lightning? That doesn't make any sense. I mean, kind of does. But looks like Donkey Kong is the third. No, Donkey Kong is the second. Mario is second. Oh, what's going on? Luigi is first. Are you serious? I thought Luigi was a cowherdy, happy, lonely guy. Oh, blue shell. Oh, blue shell. And the bomb did nothing, which kind of sucks. Come on, give me a mushroom. Give me a mushroom. Not a shell. Oh, Mario, you screw you. Oh my God, we are the first. How did Luigi come back? I don't know. But with that case, we came first. And this is what I meant by anything can change at any time. As you can see, we came first. We were at the 5th place and we came to the 1st. And that's how I love Mario Karts. But anyways, we are going to be going to the Yoshi Falls, which is Yoshi's home, I believe. But can we get a boost? Because if you actually try to accelerate your car pretty early, you will get burnt out and you won't be able to go drive as quickly as possible. But this is pretty easy, you could say, because Luigi is first, Donkey Kong is the second. Oh my God, blue shell! Is it a blue shell or a bomb? Kind of look like a bomb. But yeah, looks like every stage is actually pretty small. Wow! Wow! I actually fell down. Thanks Lucky 2 for saving my butt. But we are currently at the 6th place. Wow! Seriously, lightning, and I again fell down or fall down. I don't know my grammar, but I don't care. We are the 7th place. Are you serious? And the banana slip. Okay, I'm playing so bad right now. It's probably because I got the last game, and I'm like, I will get first this time also. But this is the final lap, and I don't even think I come the first or even second. Okay, three mushrooms. Can we at least come to the third? I believe. I don't know. Okay, looks like Luigi made it to the end of the game. Donkey Kong, Toad, Bowser, even Peach made it. I'm the sixth. Damn it! Wow, that's the worst. We got only 2 points. Looks like we are the third. Donkey Kong and Luigi are the clashing. But cheap bitch, I suck at this arena. I just suck at it. I don't know why. Also, I should be drifting, but I don't know how to drift properly. Okay, 3, charge. Come on, get a boost. Oh, seriously? And that's an example of burnout. Wow. I already suck at this arena and now I get a burnout too. Like, seriously, game? Thanks. Can I at least come to the award ceremony? Oh yeah, golden mushroom. Golden mushroom, you can use it like repeatedly. It's kind of good. It can come in pretty handy if you use it properly. As you see, from the 8th place, I'm in the 2nd place. And that proves you that golden mushroom, if used properly, can actually save your butts. Okay, give me like a mushroom is not too bad, but because Luigi, you are fired. Okay, evil laughs aside, we are the first. So if any blue shell comes, we are totally screwed. But I don't care about blue shells. I mean, I kind of do. A banana. Wow! I was about to use the banana as my protection gear, but looks like you can't get pretty good health nowadays. Ah, Krabs, Mr. Krabs, what are you doing here? You should be underwater. I don't get it. But now Luigi is first. We shouldn't let Luigi or Donkey Kong. Wow, red shell, seriously? We shouldn't let Luigi and Donkey Kong get the first 3 because they are kind of a tie. Oh yeah, banana peel. Give me that. 1, 2, slip, DK, come on, I want you to slip. Okay, DK and Luigi are playing like pretty smart and over awesome. And I'm kind of sucking at this game, as you guys can. Wow, Bowser! Okay, this game is actually giving me the rage, and that has happened a ton of times. So nothing to be surprised about. Okay, thank you, Mr. Krabs. Coming in pretty not handy. Okay, the triple green shells. Bam, Mario. Oh God, come to the first. Go! Hit DK. Yes, you hit Bowser. Bowser. Oh God. DK. No! The shell hit me! My own shell hit me! And I'm the 4th! I sometimes hate this game. Or I really do suck at it. Now I and Toad are like in a tie. Luigi is like, what's gone into him? I don't know. But this is the final area or match. I don't know what are these. It's like a course. Yeah, it's a course. Luigi's Mansion. 3, 2. Okay, now we'll be ready. Don't burn out. Give me a boost. Yeah. Okay, if I at least get first, I think come to 2nd, and it kind of depends actually. If Luigi and Donkey Kong come to the wow, thanks, freaking red shell. But ba-bam, launch. Oh my God! Please don't backfire. And obviously, when don't my items backfire? You know? Okay, maybe I should start drifting. But I don't know how to drift properly. Oh, give me the star. Yeah. Give me that star. I can freaking walk on lava pits. I guess these are lava pits. Whoa! It's so slimy. What the heck? Also, there are walking trees. What's going on? And I hit into a walking tree. Nice. And I'm in the 5th. Okay, I don't think I can come to the award ceremony. Toad, no. Okay, I don't care even if Donkey Kong or even Luigi wins. Freaking Toad? No. Toad, you are not winning, but I'm totally sucking at this game. But you know what? If I get like a bullet bill, give me a bullet bill. Oh, triple mushroom, that's even better. Okay, alright. Oh, Luigi, screw you, man. Wow. Okay, I don't care who did it, but give me a bullet bill. Come on. Bullet bill or mushroom? Thanks, mushroom. Mushroom is kind of better. Oh yeah, I'm the first. I'm the first for some like 2 seconds. Oh, blue shell. Screw you. Screw you, blue shell. Okay, this is the final lap. Okay, Luigi, where's Toad? Toad is the 5th. Okay, looks like Toad won't win. Or that's what I hope. Give me a goddamn bullet bill. Okay, Shell is not too bad because it acts like a barrier as well as an offensive attacker. Wow. And there goes my opportunity to win. Oh, just kidding. Give me a mushroom. Give me a mushroom. Okay, thanks. Oh, it's a free mushroom. Give me that. Oh, Luigi, you got screwed, son. Oh, just kidding. Even I got screwed. Donkey Kong, move away. Just move away. Luigi, no, don't. Don't do that to me. Mushroom. Okay, Shell. Okay, give someone any blue shells here. Oh, Luigi got screwed. Luigi got screwed. And with that, guys, we came first. But can we beat Luigi? I don't think so. And I came to the 3rd? Wow! I thought I'd at least come 2nd if I came first. But at least we made it to the award ceremony. Yeah! I actually love this game, even though I suck at it. But actually, the key to this, the victory of this game is actually drifting, or you could call it as power slide. The problem is, I don't know how to do a power slide. So if you guys have played this game and want to give me tips on how to unlock characters, how to do power slides, let me know, cause I kind of, as you can see, I am not the best. I got a rank E? Seriously? Okay, I totally suck. But with that, guys, I think I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.